Hey there beautiful friend, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on flashlight on your phone step by step updated guide. So let's jump right in. First of all, make sure to unlock your phone. After that, swipe the top of the screen to open the notification panel, then swipe again to open the quick panel menu. Here you can see the various shortcut icon appear. Now scroll to find the flashlight icon. If you found them, tap on it to turn it on. However, if you not found them, this my video, I am not find my flashlight on my phone. Don't panic, you can follow this method step by step. First of all, tap on the pencil icon to open the editing menu. After that, scroll down, then tap on add a control. Here you can see the flashlight icon appear there. Simply long press it, then swipe the top of the screen. Release the flashlight icon there, then hit done and automatically edit it. After that, confirm by tapping done to fully complete. Now swipe down again, open the quick panel menu. This time you can find the flashlight icon. Tap on it to turn it on. If you decide to, you can also adjust the flashlight brightness. To do it, simply long press the flashlight icon. From the pop-up page, if you decide to decrease the flashlight brightness, simply swipe the slider left. Or increase the brightness, simply swipe the slider right. And that is how you can easily turn on flashlight on your phone. Please make sure to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.